Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith, Chapter 17, Shloka 20, 21, and 22. That gift which is given knowing it to be a duty in a fit time and place to a worthy person from whom we expect nothing in return is held to be sattvika.
Chapter 17, Shloka 20. Dadavyam iti yaddanam diyate nupakarine deshe kale cha patre cha taddanam satvikam smritam.
That gift which is given with a view to receiving in return or looking for fruit again or reluctantly is held to be rajsika.
Chapter 17, Shloka 21. Yattu pratyupakarartam phalam uddishya va punah diyade cha pariklishtam taddanam rajasam smritam.
A gift that is given at a wrong place and time to unworthy persons without respect or with insult is declared to be tamsika.
Chapter 17, Shloka 22. Adeshakale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asatkritam avajñatam tattamasam udahritam.
Chapter 17, Shloka 20, 21, and 22. Charity can also come under three kinds. Sattvic charity is that which is given because of one's conviction that it should be done. The recipient should be one who can do no service in return. There should be no discrimination among the recipients of his charity. Charity must be given with faith to a worthy person. Such charity made with right faith to the right person at the right time and place is of the sattvic type. Gita insists that man must use his faculty of discrimination and see that it is reaching the deserving only. Shloka 21. That charity which is given with a hope of receiving in return benefit, be it in any form, may be at a different time and place, is of the passionate type. A charity done reluctantly and not conscientiously is of the Rajasic type. Shloka 22. The dull type of charity is described now. Gifts made at an improper time at a wrong place to an unworthy person without respect or with contempt are charities of the dull-witted and they are called tamasic. Charity must come from within as an expression of love. Intelligent charity must spring from the abundance felt within the individual. He should not feel impoverished, as that would not be a charity but mere a physical act of giving away. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.